Hi, this is Captain Jay Williams with David Walters Yachts, and I am freezing my butt off right now so I can tell you why you should shrink wrap your boat. I'm standing in front of an Azimuth 68S. Anybody who follows me will know this is one of my favorite models. It's a great boat. And the owners of this boat have done a good job. They've shrink wrapped this boat, and we'll get into that in a minute and why you should shrink wrap. I'm sure they've also gone ahead and winterized their systems. This is a worthwhile investment. And here's why. So you think to yourself, my boat's waterproof. Why do I need to do this? Why do I need to shrink wrap my boat? And the reality is that even though your boat might start the winter watertight, it may end the winter with a lot of leaks. And here's why. When you have snow fall on your decks and it freezes and thaws and freezes and thaws, water will find its way into every little gap in your sealant throughout the boat. And it will cause increased leaks because ice expands. As that water drips in, let's say underneath a cleat, it works its way in, and then overnight it freezes, and then tomorrow it thaws, and overnight it freezes. It'll create leaks. So this gorgeous Azimuth 68S, which is a boat I absolutely recommend. I think it's one of the best express yachts and express yacht series that exist on the market. This is a correctly winterized boat. They've put a great frame up. There's actually a wooden frame underneath the shrink wrap to give it a pitch so that it won't gather puddles and allow water to find its way in, because water always finds its way in. And this owner has properly protected their boat for the winter. They've protected their investment. And the investment of the shrink wrap is 100% worth it. You can see that we have a shore cord. It's just a little 15 amp. Sliding in via a nice little taped area that doesn't allow any water in. We've got ties holding this down against wind. The shrink wrap is correctly taped down to the rub rail. This is quality work. Now, if we go next door, we'll see a boat that has not had, maybe it will, but it's a little late to the game, has not had a correct shrink wrap job. It's a Katie Krogan 46. It's a great boat. No more waterproof or less waterproof than the Azimuth, but this boat, you can see snow sitting on it, snow sitting at the base of the rails, and this water, you see little icicles up here, right on the edge of the flybridge. This boat will suffer. If you do this for a few seasons, you're going to create leaks. Remember, I told you about that freeze-thaw cycle. So I really hope, this is another boat that I recommend, and I really hope that the owners of this boat do spend the money to shrink wrap this boat. It's an important part of yacht ownership. See behind them, we've got Shredder, and this boat is proper. This is another correctly shrink-wrapped boat. Thanks for listening to me rant. This is a thing that I'm a little crazy about. I shrink wrap my own boat every year. It's important. As long as I'm in a winter climate, I'm gonna shrink wrap. I will spend the money, and you should too. Thanks.